If I'm bubbly, if I'm excited, I'll show that I'm excited. Otherwise, if I feel calm, I'll show that I feel calm. Since my first film, like when the film release happens, my team comes and tells me, ma'am, after this film, you're going to go there, ma'am. You're going to go here, ma'am. People are going to love you. Characters. And I'm so proud that I could do it with a director like Sukumar, because there's a performance, there's a reality, this character, there's strength, there's power, it's crazy. I could do a character like Srivalli, but here I'm sitting like Srivalli. Hi everybody, this is Rashmika Mandana and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
It's wonderful to have ravishing Rashmika Mandana with us. She's got this massive appeal all across the world, and her movie Pushpa is coming up, and it's hopefully going to be huge. Pleasure having you back with us, Rashmika.
So lovely to meet you again, sir.
All right, so how does it feel? The movie is releasing tomorrow.
I know, the nervousness, the excitement, the feeling of proudness. I think everything, it's a roller coaster of emotions right now. For me, the whole team, I'm sure. I'm meeting the team in a couple of minutes, I think, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen.
All right, one thing that I was thinking about while I was coming for this interview today, that so you're having this huge expectation, these huge expectations are there from you for you being the national crush, and at any event, during any interviews whatsoever, people expect you to be this cute, bubbly self, which I think is not possible at all points of time.
Right.
So does it in a way put pressure on you, or like how do you deal with it?
I think I just deal with it by being real as possible. If I'm bubbly, if I'm excited, I'll show that I'm excited. Otherwise, if I feel calm, I'll show that I feel calm. Or I'm quite open about how I feel and how I talk and what I talk about. So yeah, pressure not as much, because I feel like, well, people change. So you just have to get used to the change. If today I'm talking so calmly, is because of the constant running around that we've been doing since a couple of days, and it's not possible for me to be, hey, what's up, and that be faking it, and I don't like to do so. So right. I think I just keep it as real.
That is fascinating. So you're extremely young, and it's absolutely fine to be ambitious, which you are. But at the same time, what I personally feel that you tend to strike a balance in terms of what you are as a person. How important is it for you to strike that balance somehow?
I think...
And not to get swayed by so much of attention that is there all the time.
Correct. I don't know how, but since my first film, like when the film release happens, my team comes and tells me, ma'am, after this film, you're going to go there, ma'am. You're going to go here, ma'am. People are going to love you. And my friends keep changing, keep saying that after this film, though, I'm sure you'll change. After this, because they realize how much more responsibility there is, and how much more, fame and name and everything around it comes. So I don't know, somehow I think as much as I'm attached to what I do, I'm detached from it. Like when I go back home, I'm this girl who has no fame, no nothing. At home, I'm just a daughter,
Of course.
But when I go out there, I'm Rashmika. So I think we play all these different roles in our lives. But I've somehow, as a personality, character, I think myself strike balance out of everything that I do. I set curfews to myself, I set balance to myself. I think that's the kind of a person I am.
Right.
So, yeah.
And you also have a sister who's growing very fast.
Yeah, she's 6 years, she's 8 years old, but she's in the 3rd standard now.
Right. So I think that is another
Very cute, no?
Right. Of course. So I think I'm sure that you look forward to seeing her grow as well.
She's coming back home in 2 days. Her holidays, Christmas holidays start in 2 days apparently. So my parents and her are going to watch the film once she gets out of the hostel. Right. and I hope I get at least one day so that I can fly back home and see her face and come back. But otherwise, she calls us every Friday evening, so I spend a half an hour with her on call, but I really miss her.
No, I'm sure. I'm sure. All right, and so when I saw the promo of Pushpa, the first thing that I noticed as far as your character is concerned, it's the body language. There is certain different approach as far as the way you're projecting yourself. Was it conscious? Was it the director who asked you to do that, or how was it? Even your makeup, for example, your eye makeup. I think it's something very well defined and different.
Yeah, I think when you transform yourself into the character, like every day you go, you know what your scenes, you get the makeup done and the hair done, and you have different body mannerisms that you're maintaining for this character, and everything just blends in. Like the way you talk, the way you walk, the way you behave, the way you look, the way you emote, everything changes into that character. So I think this sort of creativity, I think that's what is, because I think creativity is just magic, and it's just magic when you think of a character, like there's so many people thinking so much about this character and you make it come alive.
Right.
And it's so different from who you are. So that's where the magic lies. And I think with this film, I would say it's extremely different from the person I am
Right,
in
of
real.
course.
The way she talks, because of course we had to learn the dialect and the slang, and all of that hard work went into it. And the way, the mannerism she has, it's very minute, but there are, like, we worked hard for those, but it's not like on the face. It's just something she's doing, but you don't know what she's doing, but she's doing something, you can see it. That and the makeup and the hair, the amount of hard work my team's gone through, even the costumes, it's just been madness. But you can see it on screen when you enter into that whole different world.
Right. No, of course, definitely. And the sort of film it's become this pan-India film, releasing in so many languages. And your persona, your character is going to be there now for a long time. So how do you prepare for something of this nature, that to make something so well defined that it stays with people?
I think this is all credits to the director, and as I think everybody knows, I'm a very director's baby. I want to know what the director wants out of me, and I love it when director pushes me to do something which is beyond me. Like, I never knew I could do a character like Srivalli, but here I am sitting like Srivalli, sitting as Srivalli. So I think I love to work with directors who push my potential. I think it is something that regarding Srivalli, I think it's something the director had seen. And if you watch the film, I think people have just seen one bit in the trailer, but when you see the film, you know how bold she is and how confident she is with her own body, and she is to the ground. Her character is close to the earth, it's not down to earth, it's like literally close. She loves her land, she loves her, her everything. Like, I can't explain, but it's just one of those really core characters, and I'm so proud that I could do it with a director like Sukumar. Because there's a performance, there's a reality, there's this character, there's strength, there's power, it's crazy. Hi everybody, this is Rashmika Mandana and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.